pleasure of our peers. So there must be a plan or something. Maybe God has a different plan.
Is this because of the
We leave it
impeachment?
that way.
Is this because of the impeachment, sir? Yung nangyaring palitan ng liderato?
Probably. That's a very strong possibility. Because if I were Senate President, once the House approves the articles of impeachment and sends it to us, I will constitute and convene the impeachment court tomorrow.
May tampo ba kayo, sir, doon sa iba?
Hindi naman. Naintindihan ko rin. Sapagkat may mga kanya-kanya silang agenda.
You weren't surprised at today's happening? Like,
Not really.
You were
Not
outside.
really. I was kind of expecting it because we've been hearing talks a few days ago.
Hindi ko kinausap.
Hindi.
So it was the first time na narinig yung may numbers na
That's
dito.
why I did not resign. I accepted the motion in their opposition. Kasi wala nung usual na
Sir, paano na sir? Sir, ano magiging effect sa impeachment?
I better ask the newly elected Senate President what he will do with it and the rest of it. As that sa amin, we will still continue with we will insist that the impeachment articles once submitted to us be taken.
Sir, may pinabawala kanina si Senator Bato na pinigilan daw siya kung pumasok dito. Meron kayong information doon? Nagagalit sa may humarang daw.
Wala, narinig ko lang may nung kakagulo ko sa likod.
So,
Diba in-expect niyo, sir, na darating
pero
siya?
sir, ng information sa inyo, ano
Sabi
daw
nila,
yun?
may nagsabi na darating siya. So siguro, baka meron mga pumipigil sa kanya, or baka meron sinasabi ng ICC or DIL, whatever, I don't know.
Sir, completely, wala kayong idea sa mangyayari ngayon na magkukudita o may narinig na talaga kayong ganitong move?
More or less, once you are Senate President, you must always expect it. Ganun talaga yun. You know, sometimes loyalties, friendship, usually a Senate President is of no moment. You must have your back ready all the time.
Does it sadden you? Does it sadden you?
Or disappoint
Really?
Sa akin, syempre, sir.
Sa akin kasi, basta ganun, God has a different plan.
Pero
I
nakikita,
think may iba.
So you-
Siya gusto mangyari.
You will
Na para wag akong maipit o mapahamak.
you will be back to minority leaders.
I will ask my peers.
pero sir, ito
Most
ang...
probably. Most probably. Let's wait for them.
Pero sir. Pero ito, sir, live lang sa DDWD. Pero ito, sir, sa tingin niyo talaga para maharang yung pagkukundi ng Senado bilang impeachment court.
Malaking possibility. Very strong possibility.
Yun yung nakita yung reason behind the cruising.
Tingin ko.
So, nakikita yung changes dun sa takbo ng impeachment.
Depende. Hindi natin masabi ngayon kung paano ang strategy.
Pero sir,
We will insist that the Constitution be followed by the Senate.
so what will become of the Senate, sir, kung hindi matuloy ang impeachment trial o wag lang impeachment court? Because
Nakakahiya sa taong bayan kapag pagka nagkagano na sila.
Pero sa party niyo, sir, ipupush niyo pa rin kung ano yung unang nailatag niyo.
Yes, ma'am.
narinig natin, ano?